Search and replace imperfection. Use the button or shortcut to open the dialog. The dialog is freely movable and all settings are always visible. Search while you type. Check filter. 1. Case sensitive. 2. Whole words only. Select the active search upwards or downwards. The content scrolls automatically. Get informed about scrolling. Replace the active or all occurrences. Get informed about replacements. You can use undo while keeping the search dialog open. You can search for special characters, like less than. The combined elements filter includes boundaries. You can search dialogs. You can even find hidden parts. Get informed on how you can make it visible.